Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to become a cryptocurrency owner or to find a way to get free crypto. Let's roll. There are multiple ways to get cryptocurrency, like mining, participating in different giveaway campaigns, bounty programs, exploring cryptocurrency faucets, and so on. Let's start with the easiest way to get crypto, buying it. There are a lot of different services that offer fiat to crypto exchanges, and we're happy to provide you with such an option right on SimpleSwap. Just go to SimpleSwap and buy crypto using a bank card in a few simple steps. We have prepared a step-by-step video guide with detailed instructions on how to purchase crypto using our exchange. You will find the link to it in the description below. The next way to get cryptocurrency is mining. Crypto mining is considered to be one of the most profitable things in the crypto world. Moreover, it is one of the most important parts of the crypto industry. Miners maintain the distribution of control over a network and get a reward for their work. Usually, the reward is paid in crypto that they are mining. For example, if you are mining Bitcoin, you will get a reward in Bitcoins. There are different types of mining: cloud mining, CPU mining, ASIC mining, and so on. They are all united by one thing, which is a requirement to share computer power. We will talk about all the types of mining in more detail, as well as the pros and cons, in one of our next videos. It is also possible to get crypto coins for free while taking part in giveaway campaigns. In order to drive the adoption of a particular coin, its platform can hold a giveaway. This means that a certain amount of crypto is sent to a list of crypto wallets. To participate in this activity, users need to create a crypto wallet and follow news of different platforms that use crypto. The best way not to miss anything is to follow a number of crypto projects on social nets. Don't forget to follow SimpleSwap on Twitter, because we are launching lots of giveaway campaigns with our cryptocurrency partners. The next way to become a cryptocurrency owner is to participate in bounty programs. The bounty program means that a platform shares a list of tasks that users can do to earn crypto. Tasks can vary on the platform's needs. For example, it can be translation bounty, call to write a comment, or request for help with graphic design. Bounty hunting is very popular now, and there are even some websites and resources which help people to find this kind of freelance work. There are always a number of tasks that can be done for different cryptocurrencies. Crypto faucets are another way to get crypto for free. These are websites or applications that reward users with crypto for small tasks. Usually, rewards are very small. This is why these services are called faucets, something that pours tiny rewards. It is not a way to get big amounts of cryptocurrency fast. However, this is a way to get into the crypto world. Another way of getting crypto is through a business partnership or so-called affiliate programs. It is supposed that one business rewards another one for each customer that comes from it. For example, let's take a look at the SimpleSwap affiliate program. To become our partner, a person should register an account and choose the most suitable affiliate tool, API, referral link, or a widget, and get a profit for exchanges made through it. There is the widespread idea that cryptocurrency is something very complicated. It's really not that easy, but every person who has a laptop, strong desire, and a little bit of time can try to earn crypto. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the crypto world a little bit better. Stay tuned and do not miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.